subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. Keep at your premiership. Olona Paris 2, Sikukuna 0. I'm joined by Princess.
Hala Bakania, hala. Bakania is going to the CAF. We are saying Jorge Bakania is continental. Retlotlisa, a Nigerian superstar who is also following Ibakania. Ibakania is not just local. Sizojabula sonke Ibakania, but we are continental. Nithanda ningathandi. Ibakania laziwa yonke indawo. Sitigini support our Backup Buddy campaign. Sitigini support our Pay Shop campaign. Ibakania, the club is behind it. Adidas is behind it. But Sitigini, umuntu ozoletha labo bantu is miracle uzolethwa ama fans and you guys Bakania, Kosi, Sundowns, you guys have made it all possible.
Demonstration of
we are almost there and we are going to give her a South African Ubuntu experience. Gitigini, although sorry, we are going to take what's ours after today's game. Ningasteleli.
Fifth time.
Saturday. We are back again. Utiwe, Uchina ubalekile.
Yes.
Sitigini. Saturday we repeat the same. 2-0, not even 3, no 4-0. Zohlanganisa. But Oksalayo Ibakania is a continental club. Season Komba and Nagukef. Ibakania lizofika. Sithi hlanganani. Bakania, Kaizer Chiefs, the Sundowns, and make this dream possible for another miracle. Thank you.
So guys, in conclusion, my name is Franke. I'm also participating in the Backup Buddy for another miracle. Please, guys, let's participate in that and get the lady to come to South Africa. And that campaign is of the fans. So everyone that has been donating, thank you, and we appreciate that. We thank you guys for donating, and please continue participating. We want to show Africa who we are. We want to take our league abroad. Then that is the reason why we have that campaign, guys. Please go to a TikTok. Please see a bio on the thingy, and then donate 20 rand, 50 rand, anything, and then we get here, and then read into a shop with the price. Thank
you, my leader. Thank you, my leader.